aren't very familiar with what ChatGPT is, it's pretty much the easiest way I could put it is it's a software where they made an AI, which is a robot that you can ask it questions and it can give you answers according to what the developers has given it.
Yeah, so essentially ChatGPT is trained on a massive language model, and it uses data currently from pre-2001, so everything before up to 2001, it uses that. So it's pretty complex artificial intelligence science, but all the end user has to know is you ask it a question and it will give you an answer.
Yeah. So if you look at the base model of how they even put it together, it takes a lot of statements and then pretty much all the inputs they gave it to make it smarter, and then they give it better responses. There's a whole model that follows how the open AI works. Apparently, it's not really hard to make. The only problem is it's expensive and you just gotta be smart. So those two things, a lot of people have a hard time getting the money part because you need a lot of GPUs to have this robot able to process everything in a timely fashion.